Join me as I dive into Windows 11 and uncover all the essential features you need to know. You might be surprised to learn that Windows 11 is the first version of Windows to require a Trusted Platform Module, or TPM, which is a security feature that helps protect your computer from malware and other threats. This is just one example of how Windows 11 is pushing the boundaries of what we've come to expect from an operating system. Windows 11 is the latest operating system from Microsoft, and it's packed with new features and a fresh new look. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice a sleek new interface that's designed to help you get more done in less time. Windows 10 users might be worried about making the switch to Windows 11, and rightfully so. One of the biggest challenges is the system requirements. You'll need a computer with at least a dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage just to get started. And even if your computer meets those requirements, there's no guarantee that all of your favorite apps and software will be compatible. Another challenge is getting used to the new interface. Windows 11 looks and feels very different from Windows 10, and it may take some time to get accustomed to the new layout and features. And let's not forget about the potential for bugs and glitches. As with any new operating system, there's always a chance that something might not work quite right. But despite these challenges, I'm excited to dive deeper into Windows 11 and explore all the new features and improvements that make it worth the upgrade. From the redesigned Start menu to the new Snap layouts that make multitasking a breeze, there's so much to love about this new operating system. One of the standout features of Windows 11 is the redesigned Start menu, which is now centered on the screen and features a sleek new design. You can customize it to fit your needs, adding or removing items as you see fit. And with the new Snap layouts, you can easily organize your windows and apps to maximize your productivity. Another area where Windows 11 shines is the Microsoft Store, which has been completely revamped to make it easier to discover and download new apps. And with the new Widgets feature, you can get quick access to important information and tools right from your desktop. Gaming is also getting a major boost in Windows 11, thanks to features like Auto HDR and Variable Refresh Rate, which promise to deliver a more immersive and responsive gaming experience. And with the integration of Microsoft Teams, you can easily collaborate with friends and coworkers in real time, no matter where you are in the world. But what really gets me excited about Windows 11 is the potential for even more features and improvements down the line. With its modular design and frequent updates, Windows 11 is an operating system that's always getting better and better. In conclusion, Windows 11 is an operating system that's packed with new features, improvements, and innovations that make it a worthwhile upgrade from Windows 10. From the redesigned Start menu to the new Snap layouts and gaming enhancements, there's so much to explore and discover in this new OS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on Windows 11. Let me know what you think of this new operating system in the comments section below.